કેમ છો બાળકો? નમસ્તે. આજે આપણે ધોરણ 6નો છઠ્ઠો પાઠ યુનિટી ઇન ડાયવર્સિટીને સમજીશું. બરાબર છે? તો તેમાં પહેલાં ખાલી જગ્યાઓ આપી છે, તો પહેલાં તમને હું ખાલી જગ્યા પુરાઈ દઉં. તો ખાલી જગ્યામાં દેખો, સૌપ્રથમ આપણને ખાલી જગ્યા આપી છે, તો એમાં એપલ જવાબ આવશે. પછી બીજામાં રાઈસ એન્ડ ફ્રૂટ્સ આવશે અને ત્રીજામાં ધ્યાન આવશે. તો મિત્રો, આ રીતે તમારે ખાલી જગ્યા પૂરવાની છે. હવે તમારે પોયમ શાંતિથી સાંભળવાની છે.
Inner strength. India is big and bright, full of colors, full of light. Festivals with dance and song, we all join and sing along. We greet each one with a smile, helping others all the while. Temples shine and bells ring, prayers and peace each day bring. Food is fine and healthy treat, chapati, rice and sweets to eat. Yoga and asanas are our wealth, they give us inner strength.
બાળકો, હવે આપણે વાર્તા સાંભળીને ત્યારબાદ તેનો ગુજરાતી અનુવાદ જોઈશું અને ત્યારબાદ આપણે તેના પ્રશ્નોના જવાબ આપીશું.
An antique time machine. It was the year 4555. Mr. Nilesh Sharma lived in Himachal Pradesh with his grandson, Kiran. He was an inventor. Once, Kiran found a strange machine in his grandfather's laboratory. Dadaji told him that it was a time machine. A scientist invented it. Kiran said, "Dadaji, I want to go back to 2025. Stop the time machine." After many requests of the dear child, Dadaji agreed. Their journey through the time machine started. Kiran's first stop was a village in Rajasthan. He met a skilled puppeteer there. The puppeteer told him about the ancient art of Kathputli. Kiran was amazed how he used his colorful puppets. Next, Kiran reached a tribal village in Odisha. He met talented artists there. She showed him various designs and patterns of tribal painting. Kiran came to know how art connected the people to their heritage. Then he went to Assam. There he knew about Bihu festival. There were 3 Bihu festivals, namely Bohag Bihu, Mav Bihu, and Kati Bihu. He also enjoyed Bihu dance there. After that, Kiran enjoyed a festival in Punjab. There he danced with farmers celebrating the harvest season. He learned about the joyful traditions of Baisakhi. Kiran's next adventure took him to Kerala. He met a master dancer there. He saw the difficult steps of Kathakali dance and learned about masks. Finally, Kiran visited a desert village in Kutch, Gujarat. There, he met a gifted weaver. She showed him the beautiful patterns and colors of traditional textiles. Kiran saw how every thread was telling a story. Kiran realized that India's folk culture was a treasure of stories, arts, and traditions. This time machine changed Kiran's life.
હવે તેમાં ક્વેશ્ચન્સ આન્સર આપેલા છે, એ દેખીશું. વોટ વિલ ડુ યુ ડુ ઇફ યુ ગેટ ધ ટાઈમ મશીન્સ? If I got the time machines, I would travel to different parts of India to learn about their arts, festivals, and food, meet local artists, and bring back two stories to share with my classmates. Question 2. Give a new title to this story. The new title to this story is Kiran's Time Travel Journey through India's folk art. Question 3. Find out sentence with similar meaning from the story. તો આપણે સેન્ટેન્સમાંથી સિમિલર મિનિંગવાળા વાક્યો શોધવાના છે. તો પહેલું છે, સી શોડ હિમ ધ બ્યુટિફુલ પેટર્ન્સ એન્ડ કલર ઓફ ટ્રેડિશનલ ટેક્સટાઇલ્સ. એનું આવશે, અ વેવર એક્સપ્લેન્ડ અબાઉટ વીવિંગ અ ટ્રેડિશનલ ક્લોથ્સ. કિરણ વોઝ અમેઝડ હાઉ હી યુઝડ હિઝ કલરફુલ પપેટ્સ. તો એનો આન્સર આવશે, હી વોઝ સરપ્રાઇઝ ટુ સી ધ યુઝ ઓફ કલરફુલ પપેટ્સ. He danced with farmers in celebrating the harvesting season. Farmers celebrated the season of cutting crops. Kiran found strange machine in his grandfather's laboratory. He found a different machine. The puppeteer told him about the ancient art of Kathapuli. Kiran knew about old art culture puppets. Okay. હવે જોડકા જોડવાનું છે complete the table. તો રાજસ્થાન a skilled puppeteer, Kathapuli colorful puppeteer.